Hi everyone, my name is Sanjeevan. Today we are going to discuss about the class 10 first chapter. Chapter name is real numbers. Now at first we want to discuss the types of numbers or department of real numbers. So first one is natural numbers, second whole numbers, third integers, fourth rational numbers, fifth irrational numbers, sixth real numbers, and seven, that's mean last one is complex number. But this is not in your syllabus now. Okay student, now if we write plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to plus infinity, then these numbers are called natural numbers, and natural numbers denoted by capital N. Okay, after that if we write 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to plus infinity, then these numbers are called whole numbers, and whole numbers denoted by capital W. Now if we write 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to plus infinity, and minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 up to minus infinity, that's mean minus 1 to minus infinity, plus 1 to plus infinity, and 0. Okay, then these numbers are called integers, and integers denoted by capital I or capital Z. Next is rational numbers. Rational numbers denoted by capital Q. A number is said to be, okay, a number is said to be a rational number if it can be expressed in the form of p by q. Remember that, in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equals to 0. That's mean rational numbers are those numbers which can be expressed in the form of p by q, as for examples 1 by 3, 5 by 4, 5, because 5 can be written as in the form of 5 by 1, and minus 8. Minus 8 can be written as in the form of minus 8 divided by 1, that's mean p by q form, okay, etc. Okay, next one is irrational numbers. Okay, irrational numbers. A number is said to be irrational if it cannot be expressed in the form of p by q, as for examples root 2, root 3, and 5, etc. Okay, now the topic is or definition of real numbers. Okay, real numbers are simply the combination of rational and irrational numbers in the number system. Remember that real numbers are simply the combination of rational and irrational numbers. That's mean real number contains the rational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay, now we see this diagram. In this diagram we clearly see that whole number contains all natural numbers, after that integer contains all whole numbers, and rational numbers contains all integers, and another is irrational numbers. Okay, and finally real number contains the rational numbers and irrational number. That's mean real number is the combination of rational and irrational numbers. Okay students, everything is clear now. Now we discuss this chart. Now student, we discuss this chart. In this chart, real numbers divides into two parts. One is rational, another is irrational. After that, rational numbers divided into two parts, terminating numbers and reckoning numbers. Example of terminating numbers are 2.25, 0.35 and etc. Okay, and example of recurring numbers 0.333 dot dot dot, that's mean 0.3 bar. Okay, and 0.818181 dot dot, that's mean 0.81 bar. Okay, so real number divides into two parts, rational and irrational. Again, rational number divides into two parts, that's mean terminating numbers and recurring numbers. Now the irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are those numbers which are non-terminating and non-recurring, that's mean root 2. The value of root 2 is 1.41421356 dot dot dot, and value of root 3 equals to 1.73205080. after that dot dot dot, continue. Okay, and the value of pi equals to 3.1415922653 and dot dot. Okay, now we discuss this lemma. Okay, Euclid division lemma. Okay, so tell me students, what is the name of this lemma? Yes, Euclid division lemma, and the lemma is given positive integers a and p. There exist unique integers, underline unique integers. Okay, so given positive integers a and b, there exist, okay, there exist, some spelling mistake is there. Okay, there exist unique integers q and r satisfying a equal to bq plus r. Okay, where 0 less equal to r less than b. So Euclid division lemma is given positive integers a and b, there exist unique integers q and r satisfying a equal to bq plus r. Okay, where 0 less equal to r less than b. Now note, okay, q or r can be 0, that's mean values of q or r can be 0. As for examples, if we consider the following pair of numbers 17, 6, so 17 can be written as 6 into 2 plus 5. If we compare this with a equal to bq plus r, a equal to bq plus r, that's mean values of a equal to 17, values of b equal to 6, values of q equal to 2 and r equal to 5. Okay, next 20 equals to, okay, 20 equals to 4 into 5 plus 0, that's mean a, here is a equal to, this is b cube plus r. Here value of a equal to 20, value of b equal to 4, q equal to 5 and r equal to 0. Next, so when q equals to 0, if we divide 5 by 6. Then 6 zeros are 0 and 5 will be remainder. Then 6 can be written as 5 can be written as 5 equal to 6 into 0 plus 5. So here the value of q equals to 0. Okay.